Today's episode brought to you by Jeep. I couldn't help it, sorry. And today we're gonna fix our damn four-wheel drive. Now you can see it. All right, you see that stupid little thing in there? That thing sucks. I hate that thing. You'll see why I hate that thing. Because if it's not in the right spot, it doesn't move this. See? If it's all the way out towards the tire and not right there, see how it's right there now where I want it? It's kind of what I wanted to show you, where it starts to engage. Come on, thank you. Anyway, now you see where it's fully engaged. That's fully engaged. So for those of you who are like me and had one of these almost fucking kill you, you don't need to change your front end. See, that's working now. It's actually trying to engage the other tire. That's good. We're gonna take the Lincoln locker here and Lincoln lock this bit. Now always make sure your surface is dry and clean before you weld something that's been covered in oil. I like to take a torch. Just try to dry the fucker out. Like, not kidding. Drying it out. Let's take it out though. Let's take it out if that should be clean enough. Yeah, that'll be clean enough. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not over that noisy frickin' generator. Welcome to Off the Grid Welding with RJ. I'll be your host. Of course. Anyway. Alright. So I'm gonna point some shit out here. Shim. Keep this square. Get it tacked. Like so. Nice healthy little tack. Like so. See? And yes, it moves. I'm just trying to, because of the position of this piece of shite. Monster must appear to look stock. Even though it's not. Alright. Here we go. Helps to even fucking see in there. Pardon my French. This is my last man. It gets good and welded. You don't want this damn thing breaking on you. Because when this breaks and comes apart, you have no front end. And if you're going uphill, sideways when that happens, you're screwed. Going downhill backwards, screwed. So make sure this is on there. We know better. Okay. See that? Beautiful, right? Basically what you're trying to do is keep that from sliding in. So what I did was I welded it to the shaft. And now it's stuck in the open position. That's all I did. And just because I like to over weld things, we're going to weld the other side too here in a minute, after this cools off. Stay tuned. And now that we got that all welded in there so it can't move other than like this. Okay. Put some gasket maker on there, let it bake in the sun for a bit. Because it's basically fall here. Time to put this bitch back in. First make sure everything's freaking clean. Now it's time to tighten it down. I only use 1/4 inch drive just because those are tiny bolts. Alright, all done. And this was all I used. It's a simple frickin' hand tool and a stupid dreaded 10mm socket. But check this out. It's engaged. See it trying to move that tire? Hey look, I think the drive line turns. Doesn't sound too bad, honestly. A little bit of slop in that T-case. So this thing's been 4-byed. I have a spare key case and tranny, not a big deal. Well, now we're getting an idea how many miles are on it finally. Somebody's bright idea to put this stupid vacuum thing on here. My other one almost fucking killed me. I was rallying up the hill in the ice and somebody was coming down and I had to get out of the way and back down the hill. And all of a sudden that thing let go and I started spinning backwards down the fucking hill and almost died. There was a cliff on one side and a frickin' dirt wall on the other. I put it in the ditch. That's what saved me. And thank God for my friend Omar in the plow truck. He came and ripped me up the hill. Always be safe when using a jack. And always check your jack stands. Seriously. Thank you, Vice Grip Garage, for everything like you've taught us. If you guys don't know who Vice Grip Garage is, you better go check him out. He's freaking awesome. Derek does a really good job.